Hello guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos and the tips. So today topic is how to make the $1 million from the cryptocurrency trading. So we talk about how to earn money with cryptocurrencies and cryptocurrency and it has evolved from an obscure digital experiment into a major asset class with a combined market capitalization of nearly $3 trillion. And when these digital currencies have entered the mainstream, more investors are the exploring way to generate income through the asset class. And from casual investors looking to the diversity and their profitable to dedicated traders seeking the prospect, their guide provide the knowledge and needed to navigate the cryptocurrency market, some potential and the pitfalls. And number one, understanding cryptocurrency. We talk about cryptocurrency is a and are a digital or virtual token that use crypto for security. This operate decentralized and the network based on the blockchain technology. Their centralized peer-to-peer nature means that the cryptocurrency function without intermediaries like bank or government institution. Since the Bitcoin launched in 2009, the space has evolved dramatically from the Ethereum introduction of smart contract to the emergence of thousands of the specialized tokens serving unique and various purposes. And this expansion has created a landscape out of a digital asset with different value proposition and use cases. The investment landscape has also grown beyond price appreciation to the token holder and can earn passive income through the staking, generate yield through the decentralized finance protocol, and even earn transaction fee by providing liquidity to exchange. And popular cryptocurrency number one, Bitcoin. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is often considered digital gold. Its dominance and network security make it the benchmark for the entire cryptocurrency market. Number two, Ethereum, and the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, known for its smart contract ability, thousands of the decentralized and the application. Number three, Tether, the largest and more active stable icon. USDT is attached to the US dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio. USDT serves as the critical bridge between the traditional finance and the crypto market. And number five, Solana, known for its high-speed transaction and high fee and the low fee. Solana has emerged as a favorite platform for the meme and the coins and the NFT and the Ripple. Developed by the Ripple Lab, XRP is designed for efficient international money transfer and cross-border and the settlement and the blockchain. What began as the satirical commentary of the early crypto space, DOG has gained a wide following among speculation through its infinite supply and the meme-like nature raises question about its long-term value. Other notable cryptocurrency, Binance Coin, Cardano, and Stellar, and ways to earn money with cryptocurrency, buying and holding. Number first, the simplest approach, a basic buy and hold strategy, also known as the holding, is crypto parlance, and holding often involve buying market dips and the holding from through volatility. Cryptocurrency and the trading. Active trading require more skill, strategy, and time. Trader can pursue and the pure and the very strategy from day trading based on technical analysis to longer term position trading focus on more fundamental factor. Established exchange like the Binance and the Coinbase offer easy buying and the selling and advanced tool and our regulatory requiring AML verification. High decentralized exchanges such as the Uniswap provide greater provide and access to the newer token but fewer use the protection and arbitrator try to capitalize to ourselves and the disparity across the exchange. Truly success requires split second execution and the sophisticated to the support perspective transfer delays and fee can quickly erode profit. Lending and borrowing. Lenders earn yield that often exceed the trend and the traditional saving rate. High the borrowers gain access to capital for leverage trading without triggering taxable event are giving up their long-term crypto position. Centralized services like the BlockFi offer and the fixed rate and the institutional security. Highly decentralized protocols such as the Aave use smart contract are automate leading with the algorithmic interest rate and mining. Mining remains a significant way to earn proof of work. Crypto token, despite increased competition and the vast amount of energy often required to crypto mining, is an industrial scale operating require specialized hardware and access to the low cost electricity. Many miners join mini goal combining and the computational power with other to earn more consistent through smaller reward and staking local up token to help maintain the security and operation of a proof of stake blockchain network earning regular reward, and the reward in turn. Direct skating involve running validated nodes and offering the highest reward, but it requires technical expertise and significant upfront capital. Delegated starting and the stoking through poor validator provide a more accessible alternative, and high liquid skating protocol like Lido have eliminated lockup barrier by issue tradable token are represented stakes as an important thing. Staking rate were and the vary by blockchain and the period as of the question 2025. ETH staking earned about 3.2% annual percentage yield. The high SOL taking on about the 7.1% to APY. Running a master node beyond just taking master node overtake and the savvy holder a way to earn passive income by essentially becoming a backbone operator of certain blockchain network. Master of the node operator lock up a significant amount of the cryptocurrency and the power serves to have the process transaction. In return they receive regular reward from the network. Dash popularized this model. High never network offer tried entry point requiring different and the collateral amount. Yield farming allows the crypto holder to earn express and the assets return by providing liquidity to decentralized exchange and the leading protocol. Through this is the also comes with the significant risk. For instance, someone may and they deposit equal amount of the ETH and USDT into a liquidity pool on Uniswap or the SushiSwap, earning a portion of the trading fee generated with other users swap this token. They might then taken their liquidity provider token and the platform which become loaned in capital that and they generate more yield through the protocol reward. Advanced strategy may employ leverage to boost return, but this requires careful risk management and a solid understanding of the protocol and the mechanics involved. Tax implementation for cryptocurrency earning. Cryptocurrency taxation is complex and evolving in most jurisdictions, including the US. Cryptocurrency is treated as property for tax purpose, which means every trade and the conversation or sale potentially trigger a taxable event. Capital gains taxes apply when selling or trading cryptocurrencies held an investment. Mining income may be considered self-employment income. High staking and liquidity reward are typically treated as ordinary income at their fair market value when received. Interest earned through leading platform and they must be reported as ordinary income just like traditional blank interest. And the warning, some activity like the swapping token or the harvesting yield farming reward could create taxable event even and the no fiat currency received. Risk and the consideration. The cryptocurrency market presents significant risk that investors must carefully evaluate, and with fraud being a particularly silly concern. Losses from crypto related fraud low total and the totally more than the $5.6 billion in 2023. Common fraud scheme include the following: a rug pull, where developer abandoned project after collecting investor money fund, and fake cryptocurrency exchange that disappear with deposit money phishing, and these scam targeting crypto wallet password and security key. Social media impersonation and are promising granted return. Pump and dump scheme, where group artificially inflate prices beyond fraud. Market volatility in crypto. For exchange traditional that even Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, have had 70% price drop within a month, and regulatory uncertainty and the add another layer of risk. Government policies or cryptocurrency can change suddenly, potentially affecting and the asset value or the even marketing certain cryptocurrency illegal or some jurisdiction. China 2021 crypto ban, for instance, caused a market-wide sell-off. Security vulnerability also pose significant threat. High the blockchain technology is secure. The infrastructure around it, exchange, wallet, and smart contract can be hacked. Common mistake to avoid: over investment and the risking more than you can afford to lose, are like taking loan to invest in cryptocurrency without understanding to extreme downside risk, and the former trading, buying the market peak, rushing into the trending coin without proper research, often followed by panic selling during the downturn. Bad security practices, using the weak password, keeping large amount on the exchange of the filing to enable two-factor authentication, and ignoring the tax implication, failing to keep proper record of trader and earning, leading to tax and the compliance issue. Misunderstanding DFI and dividing into complex. Yield farming or legal trading without grasping concepts like impairment and loss or the liquidation risk. Lack of the diversification, considering investment in a single cryptocurrency or token instead of separating risk across different assets. The bottom line, cryptocurrency offer opportunity for generating value from the holding and the passive invest and strategy to active trading. and the network participation. And success require a thorough understanding of technology and the market dynamic, careful risk management, and a strategic approach to choosing which an earning method to pursue. Highly potential for significant return exists. It remains essential to approach cryptocurrency investment with significant caution. Consider consulting with knowledge level and financial professional for personalization and advice based on your specific situation and the goal. And the comment, opinion, and analysis expressed on Investopedia are from the information person. Only read our warranty and let it be the disclaimer for more information as of data this article is done. And I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Next time. Goodbye.